What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. This is just gonna be kind of like an update video. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on with the 72, and look at all this stuff right here. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a quick update, let y'all see what we got going on. We've been knocking out a little bit of stuff. It's always an airplane flying over when I turn on the camera. Golly.
Talking about, I don't know.
But we got a lot of other stuff knocked out on the vehicle, and we'll get right into this video right after this intro.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, so got that out the way. I got all this painted. I'm not gonna paint up in the fender wells yet until, look, see, I got fiberglass right here. This is fiberglass. Man, this thing needed a lot of freaking work, guys, but all of this was sanded down to bare metal and treated real good, so that's good. We're gonna eventually change these out, I ain't worried about that. But like up under the car, I didn't sandblast yet or nothing, or clean it, so we gotta hold off on that. Can't put no paint there. So pretty much same thing all the way around. This is all done, looking nice. I got a little spot right here I gotta touch up, and then I still gotta do that hole, fill it in. But I just wanted to turn y'all on for a minute, let y'all see what I got going on. I just been so busy trying to knock this stuff out. This side looks awesome. I mean, awesome compared to the condition that I got the car in. So this side looks really good, and I went ahead and sanded up under here. So all of that was sanded. The bottom of the frame in the front, all that up under where the springs go, all of that was sanded and treated. Even all the way up in there where the lights go and stuff. So I'm getting a lot done, guys. I just really ain't just been turning on the camera like that every second, because it's a lot of freaking work to do. This was like the worst one, so I'm not even done with it yet. But I cleaned this area. But y'all see what I did last night? I had to cut all that out. I mean, it was just real bad. And I still got a little bit more patching to do. But look, this is all that was left where that triangle is. Y'all see that? So, well, it was like this. I mean, y'all wanna see how it was. That's all that was left, guys. And I'm gonna cut a piece of metal and get that. The trunk, I need to hurry up and get some primer down on the spots that are already done. Well, most of it's all the way done. It's gonna be a little dark over here, guys. But yeah, I need to hurry up and get some primer down. And those of y'all that really rock with me, y'all know I'm new to fiberglass. Do y'all think I need to hold off on this and put a whole nother layer, or just go ahead and body fill it, or what? I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do there yet. But it's solid. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I need to hurry up and get this covered. At least all this, where all the metal and everything is, I need to get all this covered so it don't get messed up. But yeah, that's our update, guys. I'm gonna get to work off camera because I wanna get the wheels out of the house. I gotta get the wheels cleaned back up and put back on the car so I can. It's kind of scary sanding under there, sitting on these little jack stands. So I want to get the wheels back on, and then we're gonna sandblast the rest. And I cleaned up under here real good too. Y'all see it? Just a little bit of rust left, but like over here, oh my goodness, terrible. Y'all can't see it, but yeah, there we go. Yeah, terrible over here. But the price I got the vehicle for, I mean, you really, what do you expect? So, but we'll be sandblasting that. I'm not fixing to grind all that. So, but let me step back so y'all can see, cause I'm gonna go ahead and get these wheels slapped back on this thing. And yeah, that'll be that. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Just gonna be real short and straight to the point. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.